This is a really interesting motor. It's based entirely off a small block Chevy and it's completely exposed. You can see everything from the pistons here, the crankshaft, the camshaft, and the push rods set up here. It's just really fun to look at. It's completely blockless, so you can see virtually every component on the internals, minus small things like piston rings, seals, gaskets, etc. But really fun to look at and just to understand how push rod V8s work from a mechanical standpoint. Essentially, these pistons are going up and down. It's rotating the crankshaft here. Above it sits the camshaft connected by these gears on the side. That's going to allow the bottom to spin at a certain rate, the top will then spin at a different rate. And that's going to actually drive the push rods right here off the camshaft, and it's going to actuate the exhaust and fuel valves above the piston. Well, you can really see it from a mechanical standpoint here. It's really nice to be able to see the exposed small block V8.